Once you're ready to book your exams, select the Book Now button on the right-hand side of our homepage. Before you begin, make sure to have a recent photo, photo ID, and payment details to hand. The first page will ask for the candidate's personal details, such as their name, date of birth, home address, and other basic information. You'll be required to upload a head and shoulders photo of the candidate, as well as photo ID. If the candidate doesn't have this available, tick the No Photo ID option, and we will send you a form to complete. In the next section, you'll be able to choose your center location, exam series, qualifications, and subjects. You'll also be given the option to book a marked or unmarked mock exam beforehand. If the candidate requires access arrangements, please select the options that apply. Once you've paid your exam entry fees, the team will be in touch to discuss your specific requirements. In the final section, you'll be asked to provide the bill payer information and how you wish to pay. We'll then raise an invoice and send a secure payment link to the email address of the bill payer. We hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching and good luck with your exams.